We just finished checking out the service robots, drones, and smart wearables. Pretty cool products, right? Next, we're heading to an even more special place, the exhibition hall for the Canton Fair Design Innovation Award, also known as the CF Award. You might not have heard of this name before, but let me tell you, every product that makes it into this exhibition is truly the best of the best. Over the past decade or so, tens of thousands of companies and products have entered the competition, but in the end, only a little over 1,000 have actually won awards. So why are we making a special trip to see this exhibition hall today? Because in my view, the CF Award is an official channel that certifies China's shift from competing on price to competing on design and innovation. And nowadays, many major overseas buyers specifically use the CF Award list to look for suppliers. In other words, if your product wins this award, it's like getting a fast pass to enter the high-end market. Let's go. Let us take you to see it for yourself now. Alright, we are now inside the CF Exhibition Hall. Let's take a look at the timeline of the CF Award. The CF Award was established in 2013 and was originally called the Canton Fair Export Product Design Award. It was officially renamed the Design Innovation Award in 2022. Why was the name changed? Because innovation has a broader scope than design. It's not just about whether our product looks good, but rather it considers 5 dimensions: innovation leadership, quality and performance, functionality and interaction, aesthetics and visual appeal, and environmental friendliness. Let me share some numbers with you so you can get a sense of how valuable this award is. By 2025, a total of 10,525 companies and 20,398 products have participated. But in the end, only 1,365 products were selected as winners. What does this mean? The winning rate is far less than 7%, which is even harder than getting into a top university. Now, let's take a look together at which products participated from 2013 to 2015. From 2013 to 2025, the number of products participating in the evaluation has increased from a few hundred to more than 3,000. What does this indicate? It shows that Chinese companies are placing greater emphasis on design innovation and are willing to present their best products to compete with others. Moreover, the judges for the CF Award are not just randomly selected. They are the most authoritative design experts, buyer representatives, and industry leaders from both within China and abroad. If your product can pass their scrutiny, it means it is highly competitive in the international market. Many friends often ask me, what kind of products are most likely to win the CF Award? So now, I'd like to share with everyone the latest award-winning data for 2025. In terms of major categories, electronics and home appliances are the absolute winners, with 36 awards accounting for 21.6%. Next are fashion, building materials, home furnishings, household goods, gift decorations, and health and leisure categories. These categories almost cover all the exhibition areas of this session of the Canton Fair. What does this indicate? This shows that no matter which industry you are in, as long as your product achieves a real breakthrough in design or innovation, you have a chance to win the CF Award. Moreover, I also paid special attention to one particular detail this time, which is the selection process. It is extremely rigorous. The CF Award opens for submissions every year before May 30th, with preliminary judging taking place in June and July, and the final judging in August. In other words, it's not about paying a fee to enter the competition, it's all about the merit of your product. Now, what we're looking at are the products that have won the CF Gold Award from 2014 to 2025. Each gold-winning product is one of a kind. In 2014, our winning product was a baby monitor. Its function was to work via Wi-Fi and transmit video data to the Wi-Fi router in the room, allowing you to check on your child's situation in real time. This product won the prestigious Gold Award in 2014 and was extremely popular at the time. Now let's move on to 2015. In 2015, the product that won us the Gold Award was the Fotile Sink Dishwasher. At the time, this product solved the problem of housewives having to use their hands for washing, so we also received the Design Gold Award for it. As for 2016, the product was quite similar in concept to the 2015 dishwasher. It was a parent-child washing machine that required no cleaning. Then, the products that won the Gold Award in 2017 and 2018 were our outdoor road bike and our motorcycle. We suddenly shifted from the home and maternal infant category to the outdoor motorcycle riding category. This shows that our Chinese friends have shifted from ordinary home life to pursuing outdoor activities. In recent years, outdoor topics have also become extremely popular. Moving into the electronic era in 2019, the product that won the Senior Gold Award was our electronic screen called Phantom. The biggest feature of this screen is its transparency. At that time, it stood out uniquely among electronic screens. Then in 2020, we returned once again to the home living category. That year, the winner of our Senior Gold Award was the T8 family and automatic integrated suite from Ecovacs Robotics Co. Ltd. In 2021, the product that won the Senior Gold Award was the Skyworth OLED Transformable TV W8-2 from Shenzhen Skyworth RGB Electronics Co. Ltd. Many of you are probably already familiar with this transformable TV, right? However, in 2022, the product that won the Gold Award was our Smart Fitness Office Chair. In 2023, we returned to a well-known domestic brand, FSL Fusion Lighting, with their low-dimensional lighting desk lamp. Then in 2024, which is a year of explosive growth for AI robots, this vacuum glass dust removal robot won our 2024 Jizun Gold Award. So can we guess which category the products that will win the Gold Award in the second half of 2024 and in 2025 will come from? That's right, it will definitely be in the field of AI and bionic robots. In 2024, there is also a particularly special Jizun Gold Award product, which is our intelligent bionic hand. At this exhibition, in the Smart Technology section, our wearable exoskeleton and intelligent robotic arm are also major highlights. As for 2025, it will also be our 2024 competitive version of the bionic dexterous hand. Whether it's used for household chores or on industrial production lines, it's a very popular configuration. In our CF Award exhibition hall, there are also many top Chinese design products hidden away. In fact, this hall features all the past winners of the Jizun Gold Award and the Gold Award. I just took a walk around the entire exhibition hall and discovered many products that are truly eye-catching. Let's take a look together. From these 3D printed running shoes to our domestically produced high-displacement motorcycles that can rival American imports in performance, and even to robots that can grind and brew coffee. Today, I'm not going to talk about anything abstract. I'm going to show you a few award-winning products for 2024 and 2025 right away. Let's talk about why these products won awards and what inspiration they offer to us in foreign trade. Now let's take a look at this pair of orange shoes, one of our Gold Award-winning products for 2025, the 3D walking shoes. The pair we saw earlier was the Silver Award-winning 3D casual shoes, and both are from the same company. If you look closely at the upper and midsole of this shoe, you'll see that it's not made using traditional cutting and stitching, but rather formed in one piece using 3D printing technology. So what are the benefits of doing it this way? First of all, there's no glue and no waste, making it extremely environmentally friendly, which aligns with the green and eco-friendly criteria of the CF Awards. Secondly, it can perfectly fit the shape of our feet, and its breathability and cushioning are far superior to those of ordinary sneakers. Thirdly, it definitely features the highly sought-after recyclability. When the shoes are worn out, they can be crushed and reprinted, fully achieving a closed-loop product life cycle. This company has already won 2 Gold Awards and 3 Silver Awards, making it a global leader in the field of 3D printing for footwear and apparel. The inspiration for us in foreign trade is that when traditional footwear and apparel exports are caught in a price war, if you incorporate 3D printing technology, you can achieve high added value for your products. With differentiated products, overseas brands are very willing to pay for these environmentally friendly and technologically advanced designs. Now let's take a look at these big guys. The Shenchi 70322. They are the 2024 Gold Award winners. And of course, right next to it is its predecessor, the 2022 Gold Award winner, the GK305. You might wonder, what does a motorcycle have to do with design innovation? But let me tell you, Shenchi is the dark horse among Chinese large displacement motorcycle exporters. The 20322 is equipped with their self-developed 700cc 3-cylinder engine, with a maximum power output of over 80 kilowatts and a top speed that can exceed 230 kilometers per hour. So, their design, craftsmanship, and electronic control systems are already fully comparable to Japanese and European products of the same class, but the price is only 60% of theirs. In Europe and America, large displacement motorcycles are a very mature consumer market, which used to be dominated by those household names like Harley, BMW, and Kawasaki. But now, Chinese design and Chinese manufacturing are breaking into this track. The fact that the CF Award gave this gold prize to them this time shows that the judges have recognized the breakthrough of Chinese industrial design in the field of high-end transportation equipment. In addition to the large items like the motorcycle we just saw, there are also many small pleasures close to daily life in the CF Award exhibition hall. Right behind me is this robotic barista. Scan the code, place your order, make the payment, and it will start grinding and extracting the coffee, frothing the milk, and in just a few minutes, it can serve you a freshly brewed cup of coffee. This kind of unmanned retail solution is very popular in office buildings and airports in Europe, Japan, and the Middle East. Chinese manufacturers have turned fully automatic coffee machines into capsule-style robotic workstations which have huge export potential. Now let's take a look at this area dedicated to outdoor fun. These products may look like ordinary outdoor furniture, but if you look closely at their materials, folding structures, and surface treatments, you'll see that they are specially designed to meet the upgraded needs of outdoor living in Europe and America. For example, the products I have here at hand. These products have won international awards, which shows that Chinese design is no longer synonymous with copying or being cheap. Instead, it truly understands the lifestyles of overseas users and offers smarter solutions. Right after walking through this area, let me highlight a few key points for everyone. First, the CF Award is a trendsetter. Take a look at this year's award-winning products: 3D printed shoes, high-performance motorcycles, and robotic baristas. They all have one thing in common. They don't rely solely on being cheap, but instead win the market with their unique technology or design. If you also want your factory's products to have this kind of competitiveness, you can start by looking at the CF Awards evaluation criteria: innovation, quality, functionality, aesthetics, and environmental friendliness. Secondly, winning an award itself serves as a letter of credit. Many large overseas buyers actually use the CF Award winners list to look for suppliers, because it proves that your product has already been recognized by international experts. If you have confidence in your product, the 2026 CF Award is now accepting entries, and you can apply before May 30th. Even if you don't win, participating in the evaluation is still a great opportunity for self-reflection. Thirdly, Chinese design is undergoing a transformation from being behind the scenes to taking center stage. In the past, we mainly did OEM for overseas brands, but now more and more Chinese companies are standing on the podium with their own designs and brands. This is not just self-congratulation among our people, but real tangible order conversions. Finally, I also want to say that although the Canton Fair CF Award Pavilion is not very large, it encapsulates the very essence of Chinese manufacturing. If you come to the Canton Fair, be sure to set aside at least half an hour to visit here. You'll find that the future of Chinese manufacturing is even more exciting than you imagined. Goodbye.